Is it safe to cook a ham in the microwave?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to answer an important question. Is it safe to cook a ham in the microwave? Microwaves are a fantastic tool in our kitchens, but they can also be tricky to use with larger items like a whole ham. Let's get into it.
What do we need to consider?
When discussing the safety of cooking ham in a microwave, we need to consider two main points: even heating and the internal temperature. Microwaves work by emitting waves of energy that are absorbed by water, fats, and sugars. These waves are less absorbed by materials like plastic and glass. When the water, fats, and sugars absorb the waves, they convert the energy into heat, cooking the food.
The challenge of even heating.
Microwaves often do not heat food evenly, particularly larger and denser food items like a whole ham. This is because the waves of energy penetrate from the outside but only about an inch or so into the food. Beyond that, heat must be conducted inward, just like in a traditional oven. A microwave might leave cold spots in the middle of larger items, where harmful bacteria can survive. To counter this, some microwaves rotate the food, allowing the waves to heat all areas at some point. However, this is not foolproof and may not completely eliminate cold spots.
Achieving the right internal temperature.
It's important to ensure your ham reaches a safe internal temperature to kill off any potential harmful bacteria. According to the USDA, the safe internal temperature for cooking whole cuts of pork is 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 63 degrees Celsius, with a resting time of 3 minutes. If you're cooking a pre-cooked ham, it needs to be reheated to an internal temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 60 degrees Celsius, for store-bought, or 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius, for leftovers or hams packaged in any location other than a USDA-inspected plant. To verify this, use a food thermometer inserted into the thickest part of the ham without touching the bone.
The verdict on cooking ham in a microwave.
Given the difficulty of ensuring even heating and achieving the correct internal temperature, it's generally not recommended to cook a whole ham in the microwave. However, smaller cuts or slices of ham can be safely and effectively heated in a microwave. So, there we have it. While microwaves can be handy for a variety of tasks, cooking a whole ham isn't one of them. It's always essential to ensure the safety of our food. Thank you for watching, and remember to always take care when using your microwave. Happy and safe cooking to all!